Hi, I'm Becca from Tringali Recreation, and we are going to be creating a leprechaun trap today for St. Patty's Day. For our craft, we are going to need liquid Elmer's glue and a glue stick. To start, let's go ahead and create our rainbow walkway. We're going to take the green walkway, grab our liquid glue, grab 3 of the gold coins, and we're going to take some of the liquid glue and pour some of the liquid glue onto the coin. We are then going to glue the coin onto the walkway, so that way when it dries and your leprechaun sees it, he'll try to pull the coins up. And then when he can't, he will continue down the walkway into your trap. Once you have your coins glued down, you can go ahead and take your glue stick and pick up one of your rainbow rings and bend the corners like this, because we are going to bend it like this and add it to the walkway. Take our corners that are glued, add them to the walkway. And just continue until you do all of your colors. You can do it in any way you want. Last rainbow strip. To complete our walkway. Now we have our rainbow walkway. You can kind of put that to the side. And then we're going to take our box, open it up, take our glue stick once again, add a little bit of glue into the lid of your box, and add your festive grass, just so it stays. We then take our little cauldrons and take the remaining gold coins and put them in your cauldron however you want. Go in there. And then we can take our prop stick and go like this. Go ahead and just set it. Set it like this. Kind of balance it. Now we have the trap set. We can go ahead and take our rainbow walkway and line it up to the box. And then, once you are done, you're going to leave it overnight and wait for your leprechaun to come. How to Catch a Leprechaun, words by Adam Wallace and pictures by Andy Elkerton. How to Catch a Leprechaun. The night is dark, the streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. House number 1, I'm going in. Really? That's your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house. I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea, but I'm too speedy for your trap. This tea is mine for free. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Now you're getting fancy, but I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy-pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap, from the ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough, I'll stroll right out the door. Leprechaun be gone 3000 gave me quite a scare, but without a 4-leaf clover, I won't be caught in there. You'll never catch this leprechaun, impossible, that's a fact, unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. But who will that child be? Better luck next year.